Welcome. In this lesson, we'll learn how to write a product requirements document for AI features. Unlike traditional software, AI is probabilistic. It can be confidently wrong and behave differently on the same input. We'll cover how to specify model behavior, design fallback flows, define safety guardrails, and systematically enumerate edge cases. A traditional PRD assumes deterministic behavior. AI breaks that assumption. The same prompt can return different answers, output quality varies, and the model can sound certain while being completely wrong. So your PRD has to specify the range of expected behavior, what happens under uncertainty or failure, and the hard boundaries the system must never cross. These three extra questions are what set an AI PRD apart. A complete AI PRD has 8 core sections. Start with the problem and user need and justify why AI, not rules, is the right approach. Define scope and non-goals so the team knows what's out of bounds. Then the AI-specific sections: model behavior, success metrics, fallback flows, safety guardrails, and edge cases. Finally, document dependencies like latency, cost, data, and your model provider. Specify model behavior as an input-output contract. Be concrete about input types and limits, and output structure, tone, and length. Crucially, include gold standard examples. They communicate intent far better than prose. Spec behavior, not implementation. Don't lock engineers into a model or temperature. And replace vague words like accurate with measurable criteria, such as 90% factual consistency on a defined eval set. AI will be uncertain or fail, so plan for it. Set confidence thresholds. Below them, ask a clarifying question, show uncertainty, or route to a human. Define user-facing behavior for each failure mode: timeouts, API errors, empty outputs. Specify when and how to escalate to a person while preserving context. And be transparent. Tell users when the system is unsure. Never let a confident wrong answer through in a high-stakes flow. Guardrails are the hard boundaries. Cover harmful content, privacy and PI, bias and fairness, misuse like prompt injection, and hallucination control. For each guardrail, specify both the detection mechanism, a classifier, rule, or deny list, and the response, whether that's block, refuse with explanation, redact, or log for review. Test fairness across demographic slices. These aren't optional, they're requirements legal and safety will hold you to. Don't rely on imagination, use a structured method. Walk through input dimensions like empty, oversized, adversarial, or off-topic inputs. Consider user intent, including malicious and confused users. Think about context failures, no relevant data retrieved, or conflicting sources. For each edge case, document the trigger, the expected behavior, and how you'll test it. Then bake these into your eval set so regressions get caught automatically. Finally, treat the PRD as a living contract between product, engineering, design, and safety. The discipline that makes it work. Every behavior claim needs a measurable acceptance criterion, and every criterion needs a test or eval. If you can't measure a requirement, you can't ship against it with confidence. Master this and you'll ship AI products that are both useful and trustworthy.